welcome back to my channel. My name is Nidhi, and in today's video I'm going to share with y'all how to get a smooth hair. All the girls will dream for this only, to have a smooth ultra shining hair which is manageable and looks very glossy. So this video is dedicated for all of those girls who really want a shiny hair just like me. I have really dry and damaged hair, frizzy hair, and I'm also having hair fall nowadays. So I'm going to share with you this one pack which will solve all your problems. That is, it will deal with frizz and remove the frizz. It will give you shining hair. It's really good in making your hair shiny and glossy, and also will stop your hair fall because it has a lot of protein in it which will stop your hair fall. So this mask is really great, and I hope all of you should try this. And I wish all of you to try this because you will get to know the result and it's very nice. So please do try it out. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting the mask, let's just change our dress so that we don't dirty this. And I'll change into an old t-shirt and I'll just be back. So I'm done changing, and now what I'm going to do is remove my earrings so that there's no disturbance, and enter code and be ready. Now after taking the code, we have to detangle the hair so that there is no tangles and we can apply the mask very easily. This should be done so that the mask is applied evenly. Now we are going to make the mask. For making the mask, I've taken egg here. Should take only the egg white, but if you want you can take the yolk, but I'm not taking it here because egg white, as you know, is really good for the hair. If you are vegetarian, please use olive oil if you do not want to use egg. And now we are going to whisk this really well so that it becomes a little foamy. If you have olive oil, just start with the next ingredient. And now I'm beating this really well because it should mix with the second ingredient also really well, right? And now we're going to add curd. This is our second ingredient. You can add according to your hair length. So that's why I'm not telling any measurement. According to your hair length, randomly you can take it. And now whisk this really well and until it combines really well. And now you can see the consistency. It's very creamy and nice. And now you're going to apply this. Start by applying it on the scalp. It's very important to apply on the scalp so that your hair fall will stop, and this will give a lot of strength to your hair. So I gently apply it on my hair. The video is a little fast forwarded, that is why, but apply it very gently when you're doing. We don't want to damage hair, and you should always apply even in the ends of the hair so that there is no split ends or anything like that. So even apply on the hair length so that we get a soft, smooth and shining hair. And wherever you missed out, complete it fully. And now I'm going to do the same thing for the other side also. Once I've finished applying, I'm going to massage my scalp thoroughly so that it really absorbs into my hair and gives me all the protein and nourishment that my hair needs. So I'm massaging it really well. After massaging, I'm going to tie it into a bun so that it sits there without disturbing me and we can do any other work. And it should sit for about 1 hour or 45 minutes. So tie it into a nice bun and then clip it. And now I'm using a cap to cover this. First I use the extras, and now for covering this I'm using a cap. This cap I got from a medical store nearby. You can get it anywhere. It's very easy. And I'm covering this so that it doesn't disturb and be very neat and clean. And now you can see for time passing, I'm going to dance for some time like this and you can pass your time. And now you can see that I'm going to wash my hair. So I'm using the Wow Black Seed Onion Shampoo. It's a very nice shampoo. It is organic and very nice. So I use about 2 to 3 pumps of it, and then I add some water and dilute. It's always dilute shampoo in use, then only it gives good result. And now you can see the final result after me washing my hair. It's so beautiful and nice, shining, and it feels so soft and lightweight. It feels as if your hair is strengthened. You can really see and try it out, and do try it out. That's it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That is how I get to know that you like such videos and bring more such interesting videos for y'all. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and click all so that you get all my notifications. And please be a subscriber and watch my video. You will find more such interesting videos like this, and which will help you to improve yourself better. Thank you so much, and let's see in the next video. Bye.